Hey everyone, this is Lavina. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel Art Pitara. Here I want to show you how to make embellishments that I'm going to make. And I'm also going to be using some of my punches. I don't have a ton of punches, but the ones I have, I really love them. I'm probably going to be using my DIY cutting machine. Today we were making layered embellishments. If you don't have punches, maybe cut out your own. I just picked colors that I liked. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just taking a blue paper strip, and I'm pasting some of my flowers to make a good one embellishment. I just went with whatever I thought looked good. I think these would be perfect for cards or scrapbook pages or even your planners. Just giving you an idea what you can do with some of your paper scraps as well. Here I have golden stones with me. You can also use sequins in the center of the flowers. Now I'm going to make another one embellishment same as the first one, but in this I'm going to make or paste the flower in corner. You can also use thread and also paste between the flowers to make it layered embellishment. This is my first embellishment video on YouTube. Hope you like this, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and also share your feedback. I made this third one embellishment previously. I'm just going to add a little cute butterfly on this, and also going to add a stone on the butterfly. And yes, my embellishments are ready, and this is how it looks.